Welcome to RI4C TV. I'm Nick Quach, your host to our climate change video series, AOC. Feel free to post your question or comment below to interact with other viewers. There are over 100 chemical elements. Each is identified by an atomic number. For example, the atomic number for hydrogen is 1. The atomic number for oxygen is 8. The atomic number of a chemical element is the number of protons found in the nucleus at the center of atom. The atomic number of hydrogen is 1 because each of its atoms has 1 proton. The atomic number of oxygen is 8 because each of its atoms has 8 protons. Normal matter consists of the atoms that make up stars, planets, human beings, and every other visible object in the universe. Atoms are made of extreme tiny particles called protons, neutrons, and electrons. Protons and neutrons are in the center of the atoms, making up the nucleus. The central region of an atom is called the nucleus. The nucleus is where the atom's protons and neutrons are found. Each atom has as many neutrons as protons. A neutron is as heavy as a proton. Circling around the nucleus are electrons. An atom normally has as many electrons as it has protons. If the proton of a hydrogen atom is the size of a basketball, then the electron is a speck of dust 11 miles away. That distance is about 3 hours away on foot. When you drag your feet across the carpet, a number of electrons jump from the carpet onto your body. When you then touch a metal doorknob, those extra electrons rush away from your body to the doorknob. When that happens, you may experience a shock and sometimes see tiny sparks flying around. The shock is created when a number of electrons rush through your body. You experience a smaller or bigger shock when you involve a different type of carpet. When the number of electrons rush through your body is higher, you experience a bigger shock. Such flow of electrons is called an electric current. The body through which electrons flow is called an electric conductor. The body through which electrons cannot flow is called an electric insulator. Many electrons in a conducting material such as a metal are largely free to move from one to another atom. When electrons move from a place where there are too many to a place where there are too few, they create an electric current. The above shocking experience is called an electric shock. The amount of electric current passing through the electric conductor depends on the number of electrons involved. The shock is over when extra electrons are discharged away from your body. Notice that the discharge does not take place before you are near the doorknob. When you have too many extra electrons on your body, some of them will jump over the doorknob before you touch it. When you touch the doorknob, You discharge electrons via an electric current and thereby generate electric energy. The shock and the sparks are caused by electric energy.